4 weeks of the KCSE examination have come to a flawless completion in the face of COVID-19 pandemic.
Maumirira ma mwaka uyu ma kigeranio gya KCSE makarekererio gugikinyiria tariki 10 mweri wa gatano ciumia ithatu kuma kigeranio giki gutirihwo. Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha augite gutiri mahinda ma guteanga karenda-ini ya githomo na ati thukuru no ikahingurwo ta uria gubangitwo.
By the grace of God, we should be able to open on the 10th of May. So we are between now and the 10th of May to complete the marking process.
Akiaria thutha wa gucera thukuru-ini wa anake wa Nairobi, Magoha augite thabari ya kurugamira igeranio ici irathire na mbere hatari mihinga mingi na aria mararehire mihinga matinetiria guoko kwa watho.
All these efforts have been thwarted in the few centers countrywide, some of which I released to you during my weekly briefs. In all, I can confidently announce, ladies and gentlemen, to the country that none of the 2020 KCSE examination papers leaked, except for those few unethical, bold moves that we dealt with.
Mihango-ini ya kurugamirira igeranio icio, maabitha arugamiriri a igeranio 27 ni maratigithirio wira ni undu wa kuithia igeranio guku thimu 53 cikinyitikana kigeranio gigithie na mbere.
We have experienced a number of cases where examination officials attempted to open the papers with intention of exposing them to candidates before the actual examination time.
Uhoro-ini wigie gucagura thukuru cia secondary, Magoha ni akomithitie aria marenda kwendererwo ugayani-ini uyu ona kumuhurira thimu imwe kwa imwe akimera ni mahinda marate na gutiri kimenyano gikuhuthirwo mutaratara-ini uyu.
Everybody wants every child to go to 3 or 4 schools. Stop that nonsense. You are actually wasting our time. We shall ensure that each of these children get justice.
Augite mutaratara-ini uyu we mwene gutwarithia na mbere gutigirira ona mwana mugi kuma mucii utehotete ni agia na mweke wa guthie thukuru wa gikiro kia iguru akorwo niguo omwagiriire.
Stop wasting my time. My gold standard is that child in Mukuru kwa Njenga, like I moved one from the other time, who has 430 marks and is required to go to Kenya High School. We shall make sure the child goes there and is given a scholarship, whether anybody likes it or not. That's what the president wants us to do.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Rose Wangui.
Wish candidates the very best of luck as they proceed home to rest